हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप लोग? हैव यू गॉन थ्रू टू द फर्स्ट पोएम डस्ट ऑफ स्नो बाय रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट? You all have gone through? No doubt is there? If any doubt is there, you can drop your message, you can drop your questions in the comment box. I am waiting for your comments. Now we are going to start with the second poem, that is Fire and Ice. Again, this poem is composed by Robert Frost. I have already told you Robert Frost, the famous American poet who has composed his lyrics about nature. So let's start his poem Fire and Ice. Now, as the title is giving, the two opposite things, the two opposite words, fire and ice. Fire is, energy, very warm, and ice, this is quite cold. But here, these two symbols from nature, the poet has taken. The two symbols from nature the poet has taken. Here the fire stands for what? Desire. And ice stands for hatred. It means this shows desire and this shows hatred. Now the poet is saying that this world will end one day. Everyone knows that the something which is existing, definitely one day it is going to meet to its end. Whatever is there, the world is also not the exception. The world is also going to meet to its end one day. But now the question arises, what is the question mark? How it is going to meet to its end? How its end is going to be possible? So the poet has given two options. One is fire, which stands for desire, and another option he has given ice, which stands for hatred. So now definitely his opinion is clear to you all. Why he has given the title Fire and Ice. Now he has shown the two different beliefs, as he has given two different beliefs. What? According to him, someone says that this world is going to meet to its end in fire. It means it is going to be converted into fireball. And others say that it is going to be freezed. It is going to be freezed and converted into ice and meet to its end. Now, why these two symbols are used? What is the meaning of these two symbols? Because desire. Nowadays, everyone is dealing with passion. They are having burning desires. Just to fulfill those desires, they are competing to each other. They are ready to even hurt anyone. They are ready to go to any extent. And that's why those desire is going to be proved as a killer, and that is going to bring to this world to its end. And now another thing, that is ice. The another opinion is ice, that just because of the hatred feeling, just hate is developing inside. So if the world is going to be meet to its end twice, he is supporting first to fire, that the first reason is going to be proved as fire. At the another time, if it is going to be meet to its end twice, first time it is going to meet to its end with the fire, and another time it is going to meet to its succumb, or you can say succumb means perish. Okay, it means अपने अंत को मिलना, खत्म हो जाना, डेड हो जाना, डिसीज हो जाना. So it is going to meet to its end in the ice. So let's study the poem now, word by word. The poet is saying, some say the world will end in fire and some say in ice. As I have already told you, क्या कह रहा है कवि, क्या कह रहा है पोएट, कि कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि ये संसार किसमें नष्ट होगा? आग से नष्ट होगा, आग से खत्म होगा. और कुछ कहते हैं कि ये आइस से खत्म होगा. आइस से खत्म होगा यानी कि फ्रीज हो जाएगा। बट आजकल तो टेंशन दूसरी चल रही है, कोरोना वायरस वाली। बट डोंट वरी, कोरोना इज नॉट गोइंग टू हार्म अस। Harmful is what? Our ungenuine desire, our hatred feeling just to killing. And examples are around you. You have seen so many examples of these desires and hatred. You can just hear many news regarding the same. Okay, so this world is not going to end with this coronavirus. This is going to meet to its end by either fire or ice. Let's continue. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. देखो, हर किसी को अपना अपना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू रखने का अधिकार है। मैंने आपके सामने दो ऑप्शन दिए, ऑप्शन ए और ऑप्शन बी. व्हाट यू लाइक, यू विल से मैम आई लाइक ए और आई लाइक बी. सो हियर टू ऑप्शंस आर देयर. नाउ द पोएट इज सपोर्टिंग टू व्हाट? आई होल्ड विद दोज हु फेवर फायर. The poet is supporting to those views who are supporting to that this world is going to meet to its end by in fire. From what I have tasted of desire, what he is saying, whatever he has observed, whatever he has noticed that desires, that passions are more dangerous as it is going to kill the human being, as it is going to cause destruction. So that's why he is supporting to fire. But if it had to perish twice it means two times. You all know, it means the poet is saying कि अगर वर्ल्ड को ये मौका मिले कि एक बार अंत हुआ दोबारा फिर अंत होना है, it means it is going to meet to its end once and again. So it means first time it is going to, the reason is going to be fire, that is desire, and another time that is going to be the reason ice, that is hatred. I think I know enough of hate. Now he is supporting his answer by saying that he is what? He is convinced with this, next time it is going to meet its end with hate. To say that for destruction ice is also great and would suffice. It means the poet is saying that for the destruction of this world, for the end of this world, ice is also a sufficient reason. Ice means hatred feeling. Now why he is comparing ice with hatred? Because ice benumbs. Benumbs means हमारे दिमाग को बिल्कुल शून्य कर देता है. Ice is atavistic. Ice is atavistic. Atavistic means just make us senseless. आपने देखा होगा, आप हाथ में बर्फ लो या कोई बहुत ठंडी चीज लो, कहते हैं ना हाथ सुन्न हो गए एकदम कुछ. You are not going to feel anything. Your hand is going to be just numb. In the same way, that hatred feeling makes us cruel without any emotion. At that time we can't feel anything, as that's why the poet is saying this ice benumbs us, as it is atavistic. Atavistic, it means which makes us numb. Okay, so that's why it means this is also a great reason to make this world finish, to bring this world to its end. So that's why suffice means the sufficient reason. Suffice means it is the sufficient reason to bring this world to its end. It means hatred makes a man what? Insensitive. Hatred makes a man insensitive. He is just become away from all the human feelings, the basic, like human feelings what? Kindness, love, care for others. And if we are not having such feelings, we become so callous, we become so, you can say, heartless. It means we are just out of all the feelings. We become just what? Atavistic. And that's why he is giving this reason to ice, because ice numbs our mind. So that's why the poet is saying ice will be also sufficient to bring this world to its end. फिर से एक बार एक रिव्यू कर लेते हैं. पोएट क्या कह रहा है? दिस वर्ल्ड इज गोइंग टू मीट टू इट्स एंड with the two reason, whether it is fire or ice. संसार का अंत किससे होगा? दो चीजों से, या तो फायर से होगा या फिर आइस से होगा. फायर इज स्टैंडिंग फॉर डिजायर, यानी मनुष्य की तीव्र इच्छाएं, कुछ पाने की, कुछ हासिल करने की, और वो इतनी ज्यादा हो जाती है that he is ready to go to any extent. Another thing, that is ice, that he start hating. And when hatred take place in our heart, we become inhuman. All you can say senses stop working because we can't realize and feel the humanity. We only think about ourselves, and the thinking power, or you can say imaginative power, come to its end, and it makes us at a mistake. So that's all for the day. If there will be any doubt, आपकी कोई भी queries होंगी, please drop the question in the comment box. तब तक के लिए वीडियो को देखते रहिए, अच्छे से पढ़ते रहिए, और कोई भी डाउट्स और क्वेरीज हो तो वो मुझसे पूछते रहिए. Just wait for the next video. I'll come soon with the next video. Thank you.